Hi guys, today we are talking about familial adenomatous polyposis FAP. As the name suggests, it is familial meaning autosomal dominant, and it is characterized by development of more than hundreds of adenomatous polyps in the colon, and the gene involved here is APC. So from FAP you can remember APC. APC stands for adenomatous polyposis coli. Here is the image of colon showing hundreds of polyps. Now let's talk about the syndromes associated with FAP. To make it easier to remember, we'll use a story. So here you can see a colon with hundreds of polyps, and it looks like a garden which is not being taken care of. The foliage is overgrown, the polyps are overgrown. So for our rescue, we call a gardener. And here is our gardener. He shows his arm here, which represents the extra-intestinal manifestations. To begin with, first we have the bone. From bone, we will remember osteomas. These are craniofacial osteomas which are common in the head and neck region. The second is deep soft tissue. From this arises the desmoid tumor, which is common in the abdomen. The third is the skin, and from skin arises the epidermoid cyst. So these are the extraintestinal manifestations which are seen in Gardner syndrome. So with the help of his arm, we can remember these syndromes. The next is the Turcot syndrome. Now our gardener, he is wearing turban. From turban we remember Turcot. Turcot. So in Turcot syndrome, turban also signifies brain tumors. Brain and the tumors associated. So in Turcot syndrome, there is polyps plus brain tumors. The common brain tumor associated here is medulloblastoma. To summarize, FAP is caused by APC mutation. It is an autosomal dominant condition involving more than hundreds of polyps. And we have the Gardner syndrome with its extra-intestinal manifestation from bone to deep soft tissue to skin. And we have another syndrome, that is Turcot syndrome, in which we have polyps plus brain tumors, common being medulloblastoma. Thank you.